been a while since we've had a nice assortment of books. So this is in like the day find. I think it's like, featured items or something like that. It usually goes in this table at the entrance of the store. Do you have that as well at your stores? They always have like a feature table, but it's not always like a really cool item. So anyways, there are a few books here. Some of you may recognize a good deal. Oh, I'm going to gather these and put them with the other ones. So anyways, there are a few options. And hopefully you find a good read. I will say that some stores in my area are really well stocked, and then this one here, I don't know if things have sold really fast with my in-between visits, or they're just not as well stocked. They do have these replenished because they were sold out there for a couple days. I didn't even have anything almost to film to share with you here because they just didn't have things on their shelves. So, they have some of the heart tin baking tray, muffin cupcake, and they have a lot of these. I was struggling to open it with one hand, so I just wanted to share the inside, and they're a full ceramic. So I think there are 4 colors I've seen before, and they have the water hearts here, some books, which is nice, lots of the Valentine Day card packages, which is a great deal because I've been seeing those for $3+ everywhere else. Oh, some new napkins. These must be for the spring line. Almost like a floral. Compared to the last store I just shared with you on the channel, there were so many varieties when it came to gift bags for Valentine's, and this one here doesn't have quite the selection. So the garden things are starting to show up on the wall here. They have the chocolate roses, and they have some treats made by, see here, Kit Kat and Minnie Mouse. You have the Appleton, brand new Appleton in your store. Take a look because there are kisses in that one, and this one here, the Reese's, the thins. They have, I don't know what the, Henry Bites. And then some more kisses. My visit last time, they were just putting out all this gorgeous floral. Look at all these beautiful new roses. This is new this year. I have to show you this really delicate pink, and there's like a green, and it's a cabbage type. Look at these, they're really pretty too. But these ones here, so these are like a cabbage rose. There's yellow, there's that delicate pink, and I know I've spotted green as well. Oh my goodness, I am so happy to find these here. I'm gonna have to take that down with 2 hands. Anyways, these are really pretty too. Imagine making a beautiful backdrop with these, or even just for a vase or a centerpiece. There are so many. Oh, these are new. They have like a shatter effect. So I found the green cabbage roses I was trying to share with you. They were buried in behind. Aren't they beautiful? I feel like these metal tins and the different colors are new. Also sharing some of the wedding stuff because this aisle here surprises you with DIY material. Even the baby section, sometimes they just have a really delicate ribbon or something of that sort for paper crafting. Okay, I am obsessed with this wrapping paper. Obsessed. I think I'm going to be using it as like wallpaper in my craft room. There's a few options, even for a little one's bedroom. Like if you want to just do an accent wall, how pretty, you know, just to change things up. And you don't have to do like anything permanent. You can just stick it, even maybe like thumbtacks or something. Yeah, maybe. You don't have to, you know, glue it on the wall. That's really, really delicate too. It's just muted. Some of the little heart trinket boxes, a little jewelry box, I guess. They are ceramic. I love these little dishes. They're wonderful for paintbrushes. Some wood hangers, which I love the moon. These were just put out, so they must have been delayed Christmas items. They're really large mason jars. These are gorgeous and would be so nice outside with a candle. Now these are cute decor. So there's a glass bottom, the tops are plastic, and then a little metal tip. I'm starting to see more of this happy cuisine in the stores I visit. So I don't know if it's becoming like a Dollar Tree staple or if it's just like a one-off thing. Yeah, just let me know if you see that brand or if you know of it. I'm going to grab some shepherd's pie if they have it here. Here are some of the tools if you're into yarn, crochet, that type of craft or hobby. They have some really pretty colors. And I forgot to take a look or forgot to share with you this area here. They have stickers in this section, but then of course they have another aisle completely filled with craft material and stickers, which we'll still visit. A little while ago they had little peg people. This is new, right? These would be really well done on a card if you wanted to paint them. Just kind of have a 3D effect. Anyways, they have these little peg people. I don't see them. I don't know if they're no longer carrying them. They had really jumbo sized ones and then the smaller ones. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. They're little wooden peg people. I hope I'm calling them the right thing. But if you see them in your stores, can you let me know if they're still out there? You know how sometimes they've been around. Sometimes you see something and then you never see it again. And they keep changing their packaging, so I don't know if it's like, you know, part of the changeover to the new packaging. It used to be in the green top package. They have a lot of clear type stickers. These are really great. Mailers. They're hard, good for documents. Here's a window and door alarm. Some of you are asking. And has anyone purchased these, and are the blades that come in it good? So these were hanging at some other stores for a very long time, and suddenly they're all gone. So I don't know if they got bought up and if they're really good. These are new. Pet blankets. Looks like only the one option right now. Matches the little pet scarf. What else do they have here? What is this? Doesn't have a brush. Has anyone tried their fabric refresher? Maybe on their couch, does it work well? Dollar Tree has a really nice selection and variety of different styles and colors and shapes for your organization needs. Now, they do have this new system that has just come out, and you can clip the containers into one another. I think these are it here. Yeah, these are the ones, and they come in two pieces, and you can clip them in. They have a really nice design and different styles, and they have that one, and I know they have a white one as well, so I'll just go over to the other side. So along this side here, oh, by the way, they have these little garbage pails, which I think are really convenient and practical to have in a vehicle, especially now in the winter. You're not cleaning or constantly, walking around your vehicle in the winter. So it's nice to have somewhere to gather all your things and then just kind of bring it into the bigger garbage. So these are refrigerator ones, and then these are the white ones with the little pattern on the side. I think they're just lovely. These aren't always available. If you know what they are, you'll know what they are. If you don't, you don't. Maybe make a comment down below, but they are not always here. So if you're needing one, grab one. The chopping mats, I'm actually going to grab a couple because I'm reorganizing some of my papers in my craft room. And I think that these are just so practical for organization. Anything else here? Yep, there are little electronic timers. These are fairly new. There's the blue and there's a red as well. Oh, I wonder if this would be good for cutting deco mesh. These are really easy to paint over or sand down in a way and just repurpose them into other DIYs. They also have these if you need pieces of wood. They're supposed to be wall hanging shelves, but you can just repurpose those as well. Every once in a while, I like coming down the sock aisle, and it's because I've been lucky, or I've been very fortunate to find very good quality socks that are sometimes anywhere between $15 to $25 at Dollar Tree. So I always like browsing this area to see what's new and to show you. I mean, hopefully that helps you as well. We'll take a closer look at all the art supplies that are on this end cap. I was just in Shoppers Drug Mart, and they carry this Oxy line, and it's like $9.99, $14.99. So a few new things that I do spot here I'm going to share with you. They have a lot of like your manicure, pedicure needs and Vaseline, and look at this. These are made by the Diamond line that makes the nail file I absolutely love. And there's some more nails. No new patterns that I notice or like boxes, but yeah, lots of eyelashes too. This caught my attention. I was just thinking, would it be a cute little wallet carrier just for your debit card on the go? I like the polka dots. So I am in the craft aisle, and they have these office supplies, and I had to share with you. These are the big bubble mailers. So like an 8x10, I guess. Yeah, 8.5 by 11 actually. check these out. So these are flexible mailers. There's 3 in the pack. You can easily, if you're mailing clothes, can just slip it in here. They're just easier that way. They're lightweight, and it looks like they have the self-sealing sticky part. Oh, check this out. This is a Valentine's Day piece. I don't think they had any at the front, did they? I don't know if they were hanging on that front wall. Anyways, we'll take a look at some of the stationery. I keep eyeing this little notepad, and then I say I have so much paper at home, and then I'm like tempted to buy it. Do I need it? No, but it is a nice little layout. Oh, they have some more of this Z grip. Lots of pens. Well, I think I'm going to be heading to the checkout. I did remember to come check the garden end cap here. They have all the little fairy garden things, and I know some of you love seeing these things. Great for tier tray and decorative as well, not just for your fairy garden setup, but yeah, they have some cute stuff here, even if you wanted to use it for Halloween, you know. I think the little cloth baggies were just put up. Look what I spot up there by the cash register. These are gorgeous flowers. I'm trying to film them for you and show you how velvety they are, but anyways, they're really pretty. I'm gonna head to the checkout. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me. Bye for now.
Wish that